Hello guys, Laz here again, and in this short video, we're going to be talking about the basics of conversion tracking. So a conversion by definition is any action that is valuable to you. In our case, it will be a purchase or a sale. So pretty much this is the most important way to measure your results. How does Google do this? Google does this through a Google conversion tag. And pretty much what you need for this is a website with the ability to edit code. This conversion tag is a piece of code that you will place in an individual page, like for example, like a thank you page. And when the page loads, the conversion is recorded in Adwords and it traces back to the keyword, ad group, or campaign that triggered the conversion. So now you understand why that's super important. Because if you're not tracking these conversions, all optimizations are guesswork. So pretty much this will show you exactly where the sales are coming from. What ad, what keyword, what ad group is actually generating your sales. In our case, it will allow us to see what component of our account is bringing in the business. This will allow us to boost ROI and double down on things that are working and get rid of things that are not working. This is going to be huge when we are optimizing our campaigns later on. So tracking conversions is the way that I know what parts of my account are working. If you think about it, you may have a keyword with a high click-through rate and low cost per click, but this doesn't necessarily mean that your cost per purchase is low. I've seen it many times where I have a product that the click-through rate is through the roof and cost per click is so low, but then the purchases are just not there. While other products, the click-through rate is not as high, but the cost per purchase is great. And this is what we want to do and want to make sure that we can track these things. So pretty much what we're going to be doing in the next videos is we're going to go through the steps of generating this conversion tracking tag. Then we're going to install it on the website, and most importantly, we're going to give you guys how to test if your conversion tracking tag is working. Because if it's not working, you pretty much have no idea how to optimize it, and that's super important. We want to know which products are generating these sales so we can get rid of the bad ones and focus on the good ones, double down on those, increase our budgets, and make a lot of money. So these are the basics, guys, and see you guys in the next video.